Hello, it's been way day today and I'm going to pop on for an update shortly, but first I was just making some dinner and I was going to have like a Caesar salad and I thought, you know what, I just need some convenience food, so I am cooking these. Now these are from Aldi, breaded chicken strips, the Roosters Gastro ones, and I checked the sin value and they're 2.5 sins per like chicken strip. Can I just show you? Right, I just don't trust it. I'm not having them now because I just don't trust this. Okay, so here's, for an example, here's one chicken strip. Okay, it's like as big as my head, right? Here's the other one. This is like half the size, and look, here's another one. Yeah, they're all completely different sizes. So you know, you can't tell me that's 2.5 sins and that's 2.5 sins. Complete different sizes. So I'm not having that. I'm having this, because this is 2.5 sins for the whole packet, all to myself. I don't make it up as directed, so I don't know, maybe it'll be less sins for me because you're meant to make it up with milk, but I'll just make it up with water and it's absolutely fine. I've always done that. But that's 2.5 sins, that's going to fill me up a hell of a lot more. So I'm having that with some salad. But I just thought I'd raise that with you guys because it's really made me ill. Hi. Good evening. Got my hair tied up today, it's really flat. Do I look like a potato? Don't know. Yeah, hi, my name's Hayley, aka Mama C, and so today was weigh day, so this is my update video. I'm just cooking my pasta whilst I'm getting it everywhere, splashing it all over the blooming place. Yeah, I'm just stirring that whilst I speak to you. So it's convenience night tonight. For dinner I've decided the kids are having the chicken, which I'm not having because I was so very cross about it. So they're having that and it's in the oven, and I've made up a lovely pasta. Look. Yes, it's in a trifle dish, guys. It's my nan's trifle dish. She can't make trifle anymore. I'd borrowed it off her years and years ago now. I found it in the cupboard when I was having a cupboard sort out the other week because I did my 10 tips of weight loss video, and one of the tips on there was to have a good sort out with your cupboards, not just your food but everything, make sure it's easily accessible. And I found that and I just thought, you know what, I'm going to use that as my salad bowl because I'll never make a trifle because I don't really like it and I'm too lazy. And it would make a fancy salad bowl, so that's what I've been doing, using it for that. Anyway, we digress as per usual. So yeah, it's weekly weigh-in today. We've got the news on in the background. Lovely Jacob there. And I'm just going to basically go through a couple of little bits about this week and let you know what I've lost, and then I'll insert some pictures, I think, of like how I'm looking now, because I took new pictures yesterday because I've started my exercise series. I might add in the little video that I did with the little with the newspaper and stuff in it, because I forgot to take pictures with the newspaper in it, but I took a video. Right, you want the newspaper? Here's my newspaper for, oh sugar, let's spell out a bit. Where's the date? Here it is, next to our Boris. Can you see the date? Yeah, okay. So this, I've just took pictures, and just so you can see, this is what I look like. Tum tum, sticking out there. And this is my first day with my challenge, and I'm going to take my measurements now, which I'm using these smart scales to do, and I have to use my phone when I take measurements because it's on an app on my phone, so it records it, so you know that it's all legit basically. And then in 2 weeks and in 4 weeks I'll get another copy of The Guardian and we'll do the same thing and show you the results. This week I lost £2, which is super good. I was trying for more than that. I wanted to do more than that, and I was like being like careful throughout the week with what I was having. But I think I know why it wasn't like a bigger loss. So I'm happy with £2 to start with because I'm moving in the right direction, so that's absolutely fine by me. But I think because I haven't been going out walking, which I would normally do, so getting my steps in, because the boys have been not very well and it's been cold and I just haven't fancied taking them out in the cold, I think that's probably a factor. And then secondly, I've noticed that because I've been really tired this week, because I've been like getting up more in the night with the boys, and I've been really, really tired, one thing that I do is in the middle of the night, I will snack on things. I'm a night eater, because obviously no one sees you eating it, calories aren't real, you know what I mean? So I've been snacking, and I haven't realised how much I've been snacking because I've found wrappers around my house. I have found some wrappers around my house, and they are from me because I remember leaving them there, but I just don't remember eating the actual thing because it's the middle of the night. So that's something I need to work on, guys. So no night snacking this week. So yeah, so that's one thing that I'm going to attribute it to, and I'm going to try not to do this week. One thing I wanted to add in, guys, is if you've watched my What I Eat in a Day video, the latest one, you'll have met me lovely Nana. I'm going up there on the weekend with my mum because my granddad's going on a tour of the Man U ground. He supports Manchester United, like it or lump it, and he's going up to Manchester because he's going on a tour of the ground. So somebody has to go and look after my nan, and she has carers and stuff like that. But obviously we don't ever leave her on her own. And so me and my mum are going to go up there. So I thought we'd make a day of it because she's doing Slimming World as well. And we could try and cook some Slimming World recipes and we'll do like a little vlog. And because my nan's got dementia as well, she's very honest with her comments. So if she don't like something, she'll definitely tell you. So I thought if you guys could pop some recipes in the comments below. So I was thinking stuff like the Slimming World Scotch eggs. You know, like fake away type stuff. So if you've got any ideas of things that you were thinking about trying out and you want someone else to do it first, or you want to see how it's done or whatever, give us some things to cook in the comments and we might pick one or two of them and have a crack. And then we'll see if my nan will do the taste test and give us an honest opinion on it. So yeah, if you want to put a comment in, and yeah, we'll have a go at making some things that you guys want to see as well, and we'll just do a bit of a vlog of the day, make it fun for everybody, and we'll get that uploaded perhaps at the end of the weekend or the start of next week. And like I said, I'm starting my exercise series, so I've got to do the bubble butt workout later on. I'm going to do it like after my dinner's gone down and everything, when the kids are in bed, because I just can't do it when they're around because they just like jump all over me and whatever. I wouldn't mind if they joined in, do you know what I mean? But like the old ones take the mick out of me and the young ones just try and climb on me, so it's just not happening. So I'll wait until they've gone to bed and I'll do the Daisy Keach bubble butt workout. So if you haven't already like checked out that video, then go and have a look. I've created a playlist for the intro to tell you what I'm doing, and then I'll do a 2-week update and a 4-week update. And yeah, I've got some really exciting news. I might even use this as the background and the thumbnail for the video because I've never ever had this before, and so I was like really shocked and super pleased. But let me just get this. Let me just show you. Do you like my picture, by the way? How cute is that? My daughter painted that for me. It's a Christmas present. I think it's a Christmas. It might be a birthday present. You know, my birthday's near Christmas, so just blend together, don't they, when you've got a birthday near Christmas. Comment down below if you've got a birthday near Christmas. Let me know. Do you get 2 sets of presents, or do people think they can get away with just giving you one? Because we've got lots of birthdays around that time in our house. Oh, where's my shiny? Oh, I'll have to find it in a minute. So this is what happened. Look at this. You see that? See that? See what it says? It says, I might have to blow out now. It says Slimmer of the Month. I only gone and done it, ain't I? Slimmer of the blooming month. How good is that? So I've got a sticker for my book, a certificate for my fridge, and so I was being a bit ridiculous thinking I'd do like a £5.5 week and get me another half stone award, but I come out with a Slimmer of the Week award, so I ain't gonna moan. So yeah, so that's my award. I'm really buzzing about that. That's going on my fridge. That's my update. Photos and stuff like that, I'll put on what I look like. I think it's on that little video. And then I'm going to eat my dinner with loads and loads of salad. I've got the cheese leek and ham bachelors thing, and I've cooked 2 of them because I know that when my 2-year-old wakes up from his late nap that he shouldn't be having, he will want some, so I'm going to share that between us, but I'm still going to class the full sin value. So that's it there. I'm going to put some in a bowl for him, and then I'm going to eat like a student and have it out of the pan because it saves on the washing up. Hence why I've got my chopping board here, because then I can just whack it straight on the chopping board, look, not burning my kitchen side. I'll eat it out of the pan. Some people think that's rude, don't they? I've been brought up to, like, you have to eat with a knife and fork and, you know, that sort of thing, to not be rude and to be polite, and which is fine, whatever. And some people think it's rude to eat out of pan. Like my mum when I was younger, if she'd caught me eating out of pan, she'd be like, hey, that's awful, don't do that. Put it on a plate, put it in a bowl, whatever. I don't think that's bad. Like, I'm just saving on the, like, it's economical, do you know what I mean? I'm saving water, guys. Saving water. Less washing up, isn't it? I'm checking out for the day because you're going to get bored of my voice, and I'll upload this video ASAP. Having some tech difficulties this week. One of my apps that I use to do the thumbnails just isn't, like, letting me download the thumbnails and things like that. It's really, really irritating me now. I've messaged the people who, like, made the app to try and get them to fix it, and it's just not been resolved yet. So, oh, and what I'll also do is I'll pop in some measurements now, because I promised that I'd do my measurements this week because it was like my 12-week mark. So I'll put my before measurements, my after measurements on here as well, so you can see what's going on with those. They are going down, perhaps not at the rate that I would have expected, but they are going down. And I think maybe my tummy one is something to do with my muscle tone and the fact that, like, I am still losing weight, and I've gone down in clothes sizes and I'm getting into smaller things around the waist, but I think my muscle tone is letting me down at the moment. So, but that's all in my exercise video. So yeah, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to comment down below. Oh, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button. That would be great because you'll get notifications, and it really, really helped me out, and I really, 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 really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time.